Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. My name is Iris and today I'm going to try to style my locks for the holiday season. Tomorrow is Christmas, today's Christmas Eve. I just did a video on this makeup look. If you're interested, it should be the post before this one. And I did go ahead and retwist my hair already. It is still slightly damp. It's not completely dry, but I believe it should be okay once I remove the clips. So let me go ahead and remove the clips first. Okay, so I removed all the clips from my hair, and I think what I'm going to do today is some Loc Petals. I've never done Loc Petals before, but I don't have necessarily the time to curl my hair in the way I really want to curl it, which would be like some perm rods or something. I don't have time for that because I feel like it's not going to dry in time. So I'm going to try to do the Loc Petals. So to help me do that, I do have out some black rubber bands. And I think just gonna go ahead and go for it and see how this turns out. I believe I'm just gonna do each individual lock and use a rubber band for each one. I don't know if I should double them. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Either I'll try to put more than one lock in a rubber band. If not, I'll just do them by themselves as singles. So let me get started and see how this is going to go. Okay, so I'm pretty much almost done here. I just have these two left on the side, and I just wanted to kind of show you what I was doing. This is a bit tedious to me. It wasn't the easiest to do, I would say, but it's just basically you folding your locks up to a certain point. Now you could bring them down or as high as you want, but I kind of keep them close to, not quite almost at the root, but like kind of a little below it. I just try to make sure my locks are kind of even, and I've been doing two or one of them in each rubber band. Like some of them I've skipped some, so I had to do one. And I just take the rubber band and just hold it while I wrap it a couple times, or as much as needed, because some rubber bands are tighter than others, so you may not need it to be so tight. And there we go. So that's that one, and then these last two right here, I'm just gonna fold up and add my rubber band. You see how I'm struggling, because I swear some of them I can do pretty fast, and then some of them I've been struggling with, and then sometimes I just pull them down if they're too far up. So that's why I said it can be a bit tedious to do this. It wasn't as easy as I thought, but they're pretty much all done. So I guess I'm just gonna try to position them where I want them. Like where I want them to lay, kind of. I think this one just came out, so I'm just gonna add another rubber band. The only one that I did not add in was, my newest lock, because it's too small. So I'm kind of just gonna push it under the rest of these locks to hide it, so it's not really seen. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to, move them around to where I want them to be, and try to see how I can style them in that way. So here is the final look. And I actually love this style. It's giving me that old Hollywood look, I feel like, with my locks right now. And I feel like it's a really good style for the holiday season. Kind of gives you that dressy, kind of fancy look, I want to say, for your locks. And I hope it lasts. I hope it holds up. I think it should. I don't think I should have any problems with sleeping on it or anything like that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Take care. Bye, guys.